Ever been told your sneeze is too loud? Well, brace yourself for this mind-blowing fact. The loudest sneeze ever recorded reached an ear-popping 176 decibels. That's louder than a jet engine taking off. It was achieved by a man named Gregory Foster from the USA. Imagine sneezing and making history at the same time. Just one sneeze that loud could shatter the peace at any gathering, and probably give your neighbors a heart attack. Next time someone complains about your sneeze, remind them, it's nothing compared to Gregory's. Think your sneeze is loud? Let us know in the comments.